watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge.
I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 falling,
Cause it's you and me against the world now. And me against the world now. Cause it's you and me against the world. No, it's you and me against the world. No, it's you and me. It's you and me. It's you and me.
Listen, it ain't easy, you know it. With all the distance between us, somehow I hold you the closest. Drifting slow, you're on my mind, girl, you should know. Only with you as home, your voice is full of melodies only God could compose. I wonder, is it worth it with all the cracks that you see? You see potential with all of this heavy baggage I bring? Yeah, I guess that's love, ain't it? Depends on how we go paint it. Love ain't picture perfect, portraits with my ex portrays it. Coming back from LA like I wasted my time. I turn into someone different, regret all in my mind. I cut connections, I learned some lessons, all of this for your protection. Wish I was the person that you see in your eyes. I told you my deepest flaws, I've been changing for the better. So when I look into this mirror, I see someone familiar. Your friends say I ain't worth it, they're drowning us slow. I'm praying for forgiveness while I'm gaining control. Cause it's
you and me against the world now.
Don't you know, don't you know?
Cause it's you and me against the world now.
Cause everything I do is for
Cause
you.
and me against the world.
It's for
it's
you.
And me against the world.
It's for you.
And me, it's you and me, it's you and me.
Everything I do is for you. I messed up, I know, and now your heart's growing cold. I've been sitting in this car, but you won't pick up your phone. My heart aches while yours breaks. I'm feeling so out of place. Yeah, the moon is at its highest, but it's never been too late. So listen to my words. The hardest times are way behind us. Even in our biggest mistakes, a moment doesn't define us. I just need to find redemption. I just need you by my side. I wanna give you everything. It's so hard to give you time. I'm trying to find the words. I'm trying to find a way to say this. I love you, but I hate this. All these tears on both our faces. They say love is but a journey. What's a journey with no patience? The trust you used to have, I step inside, I see it's vacant. Can you see I'm fighting for you? Don't you feel it in these lines? Your heart is just so stainless, I can't even look at mine. I'm staring out this window as the stars begin to shine. You're not one for second chances, but just love me one more time. Cause it's
you and me against the world now.
Don't you know, don't you know? Cause everything I do is for you.
And me against the world.
It's
No,
for
it's you and me against the world.
It's
No,
for
it's you
you.
and me. It's you and me. It's you and me.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing